Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Our sponsor Blue Guardian is the only prop firm that gives their traders a tool to protect them from hitting their max daily loss and over trading. It's super simple to use. Just set the Guardian Protector each day from your dashboard. Did you also know that they've just released an unlimited time evaluation with a 0 trading days requirement, giving you plenty of time to hit their low 8 and 4% targets, making it super fast to get funded. Plus, it's cheaper than the 40-day time limit evaluation. Check out the link and coupon in the description to get 10% off your next Blue Guardian evaluation.
What is good, everyone? What is good? What is good? What is good? Good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on what time zone you're in. What is good? We had a very short live yesterday. I apologize for that. I had 1,000,001 things that I had to settle, but all of that is done. Let's reflect on the week that was. Let's start off by reflecting on the week that was. Okay. As per usual, we always start with the dollar index. So let's go. This week, we ended off, or let's say we started off, ranging, consolidating, no clear direction, rejections from the bottom side, rejections from the top side. We come down, we print our first decent candle only to reject the purple box. The purple box being the box that we were locked in consolidation for 3 weeks in January. Cool, follow me. We reject it, and then we come all the way back up, thinking that, okay, this is bullish momentum. We're going to carry through and move all the way up to at least 104.52. We completely reject it and we come back down. It's very important to note that. We reject it and we come back down. Next candle opens up. In the beginning, we have bearish momentum, which coincides with the rejection that we just experienced. So now people are thinking, okay, maybe this really is a sell. Price rejects the box once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. Moves back up. After the last candle is printed, this bullish one over here, I start thinking that, you know what? I'm going to be looking for sells. I'm going to be looking for sells. Today's candle opens up bearish. We get the selling momentum, but it's not really anything, important, nothing significant. It's really pretty much close to where it opened up. So the question that I've been asking myself is, where do I now think dollar index is going? We've rejected from the top to end downwards. We've rejected from the bottom to end upwards. It's like the last 2 candles completely contradict one another. I mentioned something about here. When was this? This was on Wednesday. I mentioned something about Wednesday and the market closing on Tuesday. If it had closed beneath this support resistance key level over here that I had drawn, I would be either bearish or bullish one way or the other. Price closed beneath it, I was bearish. But I then anticipated the move upwards, and I wanted to sell at a higher level, which is where we were this morning. I don't know. Would it be weird for me to say that I no longer think that the dollar is going to sell off. Would that be strange for me to say that? I don't think it's going to sell off anymore. Could be wrong, but I don't think it's going to sell off anymore. Let's look at USD franc and USD JPY for some ideas. Here we go. Bullish momentum, bearish momentum, consolidation, bullish breakout, continuation. USD franc is behaving in a bullish way. Let's go to USD JPY. Bearish momentum, very strong bearish candle that came in yesterday. I would have loved to see a closure beneath this highlighted zone. We didn't get it. Instead, we rejected the level completely. And now we're back into this consolidation zone. This is a flag. This flag. USD franc, USD JPY, still bullish. Or at least they haven't done anything bearish to make me think otherwise. So, I believe that USD franc, USD JPY, and the other one, the dollar index, are going to be bullish. Gold, I spoke about the breakouts that I was anticipating. Just yesterday, I was like, guys, I think gold is going to break out to the top side. However, now it would be the ideal time to start looking for the reversal. 2061 maybe. That's what I think. I think gold is going to come up and then fall. Where was I? USD franc. Just want to erase these because I don't see it anymore. Yo, what's going on? Come on. Yeah. At least, what's this? 0.8998. Even higher, 0.9086. USD franc. Gonna rally. This, I expect to get taken out. TP1, TP2. I've already, or I intend to, let me say, on a break of this, I'm going to start looking for another trade so I can take a trade within a trade. That's what I think. Now, we looked at gold. Let's look at GCAD. Nothing special there. USD CAD. Nothing special there. Maybe actually, no, nothing special there. Euro pound. USD franc goes up. Euro USD, pound USD goes down. Pound USD goes down. Euro pound goes up. Flag, bullish flag, waiting for a break. The ideal time to enter was somewhere over here when I initially did the analysis on this trade. But you know what? Now is as good a time as any, really. But yeah, Euro pound, I believe, is going to rally to the top. GA, I don't see anything there. Pound NZD. I don't know. I'm still waiting for an exceeding amount of bullishness. Still hasn't come. This already achieved its target over here. However, It wouldn't surprise me to see Euro AUD at 1.6798 in the near future. New Zealand franc, done and dusted, retracing a little bit now. I don't see anything really significant there. Cool. AUD franc, start at the bottom. Took this trade, came down, entered perfectly. The stop loss size on this is 47 pips, so I've already moved to half risk, which is 23 pips. And now I'm just waiting for the TP to get hit. Very nice, very flawless trade over there. AUD JPY fell into a little bit of profit. I was like 4 days of bearishness, and now it's retracing a little bit. Still holding. Still going to see what happens. It's a good trade, 2-1. I believe in this trade. New Zealand CAD fell into an entry. We are currently floating in loss. Seems to be some bullish momentum creeping in. It's a good trade as well, 2-1. Waiting to see how that turns out. AUD CAD. This trade has just, I don't know what. We were 10 pips away from target, and then it began to retrace. Fortunately, though, I have moved my stop to half risk. So I'm just really just waiting at this point until my TP gets hit. I'm looking forward to that. The tricky thing here is that these two are roughly correlated. New Zealand CAD and AUD CAD. I'm short on one. I'm long on one. Yeah. What can I say? Those are the opportunities I found. AUD NZD. Finally got an entry on 28th of February. Rejected it somewhat. I thought, cool, we've been filled, especially after the really, really bullish move. We rejected it, and I thought, okay, that's it. We're going to go back down to the TP. I thought we were going to go back down to TP. We didn't. Unfortunately, we didn't. Next candle, printed bullish again. Rejected again. And then today's candle, which was also bullish this morning, but now it seems to be reversing somewhat. It's a very simple, straightforward trade. It's 1-1. Yeah. So those are roughly all of my trades. I didn't open that. Cool. These are all of my trades right now. It's about 5 positions that are currently open. Crossing my fingers even more than ever. Right now, I'm a little bit disappointed in the fact that we've had prop firms. But I guess I can't be mad at anyone. Prop firms have been migrating from various platforms to various platforms, and it has incredibly inconvenienced me. Because I basically lost access to my Blue Guardian account, I think a day or two ago, and my other prop firm account, which I won't even mention, but it's in phase 2, and I can't do anything with it because, it was in migration mode. So very, very upsetting news, I guess. Kind of sucks. But it is what it is, I guess. I guess it's just the growing pains of the industry. And yeah, I don't even know what my percentage is on Blue Guardian right now. I have absolutely no idea. But we'll find out. And I'll share it with you guys all when I find out. And that is pretty much how the cookie crumbles. No, because I think the same thing. USD is going to gain strength in March. I agree with you. It's tricky. And also, you have to, I think a really good trader is willing to change their mind often, but in a constructive way. So I was bearish because it looked bearish, right? Like we broke through a trend line, you know. You can imagine when this candle was filled, like it just looked like a bearish wave was coming. So I thought, yeah, for sure we're going down, and then we rejected, but then we came with this one. I thought, okay, fine, maybe that's it. But honest to God, even with this bearish candle that we're printing now, and we have news in about 2 hours, I think the dollar is going up. I think the dollar is going up. I think gold as well. One thing I kept asking myself is this high here, where is it? This. What was gold going to do about that? Were we ever going to find ourselves back up here again? I don't know. I really didn't know. But I thought it would be unlikely. I thought it would be unlikely. And this bullish, I mean, this is like a staircase. It's like one bullish candle after the next one, you know, consecutively. This is exactly the type of price action that gold loves to reverse on, as you can see. Like it's not afraid to literally just reverse on everyone. So I'm thinking, you know, I don't know. Obviously next week, if I do take a position on gold, it will be next week. But I think gold will sell off. I think gold is going to sell off. I think the dollar is going to rally. USD CAD, USD Franc, USD JPY, it's going to rally. I know earlier this week, quite a few people were kind of anticipating a bullish run on Euro USD, and it never came. It never came. It just never came. So, yeah, I feel like that was the trap. If anything, I feel like that was the trap. And I really believe that Euro USD is going to fall from the sky along with gold. That's what I think as far as the dollar and gold is concerned. I don't know. Is there anything else you guys, you know, any other ideas that you guys are thinking about? I mean, prove me wrong, eh? Like literally share your ideas. What do you think? What do you see? Is there like a currency I didn't cover? Pound NZD, I don't know. I see bullet. If it gets here, I know it's gonna rally. You know, if it gets above about 20926, I know it's gonna rally. The question is, when is it going to do that? When is it going to do that? Because this whole back and forth thing is killing me. Euro AUD, like I said, wouldn't surprise me if 1.6798 is taken out. The thing with me as well is that whenever I'm wrong, I'm never like absolutely wrong. Like I'm never brutally, oh my God, the market went north, you went south type of thing, you know. Usually when I'm wrong, it's like stop placement or something. Price, you know, retraced, hit my stop, and then continue in my direction. Usually when I'm wrong, that's what it looks like. So like I'm saying, it just wouldn't surprise me if 1.6798 gets taken out. Gets taken out. How's the calendar looking like next week? Let me see. 5 p.m. Did I say 3 hours? I meant 4.5 hours. From now, we have ISM manufacturing. That news is going to significantly impact USD crosses. Next week, we have Swiss franc on Monday, 9:30 in the morning, CPI. Do I have exposure on franc? I do. AUD franc, I am long on that. USD franc, I haven't really been filled on anything, but I believe that this will go up. Tuesday, I have JPY, USD, high impact news. I've got exposure here and here. Should be fireworks. Cool. If this, I'm thinking, wait a minute. JPY, that's 6 o'clock in the morning, and then USD is at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. BOJ governor, okay. I don't know, but yeah, I think USD JPY is going to go up. Like I'm saying, I believe it's going to go up. Not managed to catch a trade in there. Hopefully, AUD on Wednesday and CAD. Interest rates announcement on CAD on Wednesday. I have 2 trades with Canadian exposure and Euro. No, I don't have any Euro trades. That Euro AUD might finally reach its level. Then just USD, and then on Friday NFP. The crappy thing though, and I'm really hoping this doesn't happen next week, but it tends to happen on the week of FOMC and the week of NFP. What tends to happen is that the market does nothing. It literally does absolutely nothing because basically the heavyweights in the industry are just waiting to see how to position themselves after NFP. They're trying to see the NFP numbers and then they'll position themselves accordingly. So nothing tends to happen on NFP week. Nothing tends to happen on FOMC statement week. I'm hoping that being that these are Australian pairs and New Zealand pairs, that there's some kind of volatility in the markets next week. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, we're just gonna have to see, and then we'll act accordingly. Close to TP on 2 trades, basically. AUD CAD and AUD franc. AUD JPY still has a long way to go, but it's in profit. New Zealand CAD, long way to go, it's in loss. AUD NZD, long way to go, in loss. So I guess 3 out of 5 trades are in profit right now. 3 out of 5 trades are in profit, and 2 of them are 10 pips or less from hitting their target. Um, okay. Okay. USD CAD, USD Franc, USD JPY. Okay. Guys, I'm placing trades. I just got access to my prop firm account, so I'm just putting back the trades. I'm adding the trades that I was kind of forced to have to close. So hence I am so busy with something. There's this New Zealand CAD. $79 on New Zealand CAD. AUD NZD. It's going to be about 30 on AUD NZD. That's 0.14. So I need to add another 0.5 on this. This is sell. Perfect. Okay, right now those would be only two trades that I can enter. Okay. Then done with this one. something about you. Okay. What is this, MC5? Let's check out these. It MT5. Okay, this is weird. How am I supposed to find this? Is this MT4 or MT5? I'm not finding the server. Okay. Cancel. Enter company name or okay, there we go. Blue. Okay, can't find the Blue Guardian. The server. Okay. Okay, there we go. C3PO. Okay, and then you say sign in. I mean, I guess. Kind of sucks. Okay. So let's do this 20,000 ADNZD. My lot size is going to be 0.68. Sell. It's 79 on New Zealand CAD. $0.21 on the buy opportunity. Wow. Wow. I'm just looking at the trading conditions. Let me see. Wow. This is gonna be thrilling. 8210. 8210. Hey, yeah, no, yeah, it's gonna be something. It's gonna be something. Wait, what is this? This is not even, this is something else entirely. Okay, so okay. Some of these, like, I mean, there's just some. What time is this? Or is this at night? Because I mean, then I guess I get it. Yeah, it was midnight. Jeez, that's deep. That's deep. That's deep. That's deep. That's deep. That is quite deep. Okay, I mean, what can we do though, right? Let me place my stops and stuff. Okay, that's that. And then just go here. And then close. No, let's keep that open. Let's go here, open that, and then go to this here. Okay. Zero seven zero six and AD needs to be 0706. Yeah. TP 05 double 87. 81928. That's that one. And then modifying position on this one. New Zealand tab, A1928. Oh, let's see a photo. This is message trader. Message trader. Message trader. Oh, I'm gonna have to manually add each and every one of these trades. That doesn't look like it's close. That doesn't look like it's close. Those both don't look like they're close. This one here is a sell limit, so no, that's not close. This is a sell stop. It's nowhere near close. Yeah. Gonna add these before the news release later on today. But yeah, there we go. So I've got my accounts back. That's cool. Trading conditions are definitely questionable with some of them. Just gonna have to see how things play out, to be honest. Just gonna have to see how things play out. Let's see here. Yeah. As you guys probably know by now, like at midnight, there's always something that happens. The spread widens, so you end up with wicks that may not appear on other brokers or other prop firms, whatnot. It's just something that kind of, you've had to live with if you're a prop firm trader. However, there's some prop firms that don't have it at all. Some of them have it more predominantly or more prominently. But yeah, it is what it is. I guess it's the cost of doing business. So I'm up and running on my Blue Guardian, I just placed 2 trades because those are the only 2 trades that actually that I can find good entries on. The others, as you guys know, 3 of them already in profit, right? Yeah, 3 of them are already in profit. If AUD JPY goes up any higher, I'll enter, but I can't enter on this one or this one because we've done most of the work already. So I've entered on AUD NZD and New Zealand CAD, and I will maybe get an entry on AUD JPY. It looks like it'll happen though because of the way it's rejecting this purple box. So I'm just gonna keep my eyes on it and then take it from there. I don't trade BTC. I don't trade cryptocurrencies. I invest in them and leave them alone. And I leave them alone. Can I get some accounts? You can go to blueguardian.com. Get yourself a pretty dope account there. How far am I away from this? Let me see. Yeah, if this moves up even a little bit, I'm gonna get in. I want to get involved. If it moves up even just a little bit, I'm gonna definitely get involved. Anyway, it's been real, guys. It's been real. It's been real. It's been real. To sum up everything that was covered today, I am long on dollar index, the dollar. I'm long on USD franc, USD JPY. I'm short on gold, Euro USD, Pound USD. I am long on Euro Pound. And then I have these Australian, Canadian, New Zealand pairs that have been just extremely frustrating for me over the last couple of days. But it is what it is. I am short on AUD NZD. I am long on New Zealand CAD. I am short on AUD JPY. I am short on AUD CAD. I am long on AUD franc. I am looking to get involved in USD franc and USD JPY soon, depending on the opportunities that they kind of create. USD JPY as well, it's consolidating for the most part though. But tonight, this afternoon, 3 hours from now, exactly 3 hours from now, there is high impact USD news that's going to be coming out. So I'm going to pay close attention to that. I don't think I'll place a trade regardless of what happens with the news release today, but I'm definitely going to pay attention to it because what I'd like to see is a break to the top side on USD franc, USD JPY, and the dollar index. I would love to see gold reach some kind of resistance level, possibly 2061, and then come back down. That's what I would love to see. It has been real. I will see you guys again next week, Tuesday. Same time, same place. Be safe this weekend. And yeah,